the Minister of Education of the Republic of Kenya. A round of applause for them. A round of applause, please. Next is Honorable Andrew Ejapa, Mesa MP, representative of the President at the Ministry of Tourism and Culture. His Excellency Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, Prime Cabinet Secretary, Foreign and Diaspora Affairs. They will be signing Memorandum of Understanding between the Hotel Catering and Tourism Training Institute, Ghana and Kenya. A round of applause for them. Another round of applause, please. Thank you, thank you. Memorandum of Understanding on Cooperation in Defense Matters. May I invite Honorable Dominic B.A. Nitiwu, MP, Minister for Defense, and Honorable Adam Barry Dwale, Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Defense. Please, let's put our hands together for them. Thank you very much. Let's give them a round of applause, please. We'll be signing a joint communique between the two countries to be signed by our two foreign ministers, Honorable Shelley Ayokoboche, Minister for Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration, and then His Excellency Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, who signed a joint communique, please. A round of applause for them. Thank you very much. Round of applause. Thank you very much. Shall we welcome the presence of our two first ladies with a round of applause, please? They've just joined us.